Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so setup is smooth. Once done, open the Google app. Sign into the account you want Gemini linked to because the model ties to your profile. Make sure microphone, location, and assistant permissions are enabled. This avoids prompts later and speeds activation. If prompted to update the app, do it now. Updates include the Gemini integration. This first pass prevents permission errors and ensures the assistant can access what it needs. Now you'll activate Gemini inside the Google app. Follow settings to Assistant and locate the Gemini option. Tap to select the model and choose voice preferences. You can pick a concise or chatty tone depending on how you plan to use it. Once selected, enable Use Gemini as the default assistant so requests go to Gemini automatically. Make sure to review any extra permissions the toggle requests. Approving them lets Gemini handle voice, search, and app integration without repeated confirmations. Finish by testing Gemini with a simple query and validate responses. This confirms voice activation and account linkage. Once it responds, fine-tune privacy, response style, and suggestions inside Assistant Preferences so behavior matches your needs. If Gemini fails to respond, check microphone permissions, clear the Google App Cache, and restart the phone. These steps often fix transient issues. If problems persist, reinstall the Google app and sign back in. This resets integration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.